last video, we did S704 Forest Service Road called South Main Divide. And in this video, we're going to do North Main Divide. And I think it's still S704. If not, I'll correct that in a minute here when we find out. But we're sitting here on Ortega Highway, and we're getting ready to just turn off right here to get on the trail. And if all the roads are open, we're going to end up in at Santiago Peak. It's also called Saddleback. If you go into Orange County, everything's called Saddleback College, Saddleback Hospital, all this crap, because there's a Saddleback up there. There's 3 peaks. There's Majeska Peak, Saddleback Peak, and I always Trabuco Peak. That's the 3rd peak. And so there's actually 2 Saddlebacks. So we're going to head up to Santiago Peak, and there's a ton of repeaters and radio towers up there, so we'll be able to see all that crap. And if it's clear out today, which it should be because it's supposed to be windy, we'll be able to see all of Orange County, a ton of like southern eastern LA County, Riverside County, San Bernardino County. You can see from Palomar Mountain to Catalina Island to Mount Baldy. So it's a really great view. So here we go. All right, so we got to the turnoff for North Main Divide. See the sign right here. If you go left, it takes you to the Blue Jay Campground, and then if you go right, it takes you to the North Main Divide. And the stupid Forest Service has it closed off again. I know it was just open last month, so they got the gate closed, and I guess we don't get to go. So I'm going to call the Ranger District when I get home and just find out if they're going to be opening it up soon, and maybe I can finish the video another day. For now, we'll just drive down towards Blue Jay Campground, and then you know, we'll take that, and then we'll turn around and come back out this way, because I don't want to take because otherwise it takes you to Ortega Highway about halfway down, and they're doing a lot of work down there, and it's kind of screwed up. So we'll get that anyways. So we ran across a guy from the U.S. Forest Service over here in the campground, and we asked him about 3S04 or 3S07, whatever it is, the road up to Santiago. We had a lot of rain back in December, and he said that it washed out a bunch of, washed the road out, messed it all up. So they're actually crews up there repairing it. It's going to be closed for a while. He said hopefully within a month it'll be open, but you never know with the U.S. government. It could be 3 months, it could be 2 weeks. So I'm just going to keep my eyes open for that, and then finish the video then. So anyways, yeah, stay tuned. Alright, on our way back out to Ortega Highway, we decided to take this other road. It's a dirt road here. It goes down, it's called El Cariso Trail. It goes from El Cariso Village, which is just back here behind me, down to Lake Elsinore, kind of the northwest end of Lake Elsinore, down to the end of Grand Avenue. So we're going to take this and see if it's open. There's a couple of like church camp, retreat camps up here, so I'm pretty sure it's going to be open. Hopefully we'll be able to drop down to Grand Avenue from it, so we'll record it anyways.
dustiest road I've ever been on.
Yeah. So one flaw with these growlers is that the wind blows in from the back when you're going slow on a trail, and every bit of dust rolls right into your back. I'd have to put the windshields down just to stop the current from flowing in. I'd love to come up here with my metal detector, look up some of these old homesteads, homesteads. That would be cool. That's all North Lake Elsinore right there. And very, very far to the left would be South Corona. The city doesn't come down that far, but it would be like a county area of Corona. And then there's like Lake Elsinore proper, whatever, all the marinas and stuff. 15 freeways running across on the other side of the lake, running north and south. One of the church camps. Yeah, it's like a Korean one. All right, so we were on this El Cariso little cutoff road, and it's washed out way too bad. You can see people have stacked rocks to get through here. There's no way for me to straddle these ruts. The growler's so narrow, it's only 5 feet wide, so like my pickup, I'd be able to straddle a lot of this. But this thing's definitely not a rock crawler, and so we're gonna have to make a turnaround here. folded the front windshields down just to see if that stops the dynamic of the dust blowing through the cabin this way. So, for the shot, here we go. Oh yeah, fixed it. Yeah. Guess that's one reason the windows go down. Looks cool, that does. Except for the glare. Military vehicle ever has folding front windows. That when they get muddy, what are you gonna do? Take it out, wipe it. Alright, so we're back where we started. We didn't make it up to Santiago. It's gonna be another trip, but we got some cool off-roading done and got to see some different stuff anyways. So anyways, thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and have a good day.